My name is Steve Nell with Nell Heating and Air. I've been challenged by David Gill, the president of Henry County Chamber of Commerce. So I'm graciously going to accept and going to do it now with Mr. Douglas from the Harlem Globetrotters. And I've got to nominate 3 people from what I understand. My first nominee is going to be Miss June Woods from Georgia Fire Company.
Wrong person.
So,
Wood, and I'm not with Georgia Power.
Wood retired formally in our takes here. I would also like to challenge Miss Laura Luker with the Henry County Chamber of Commerce. And for the final, Vanessa with the Kiwanis Club would be my 3rd challenge.
All right. So are you ready?
And also I have a classmate that I graduated high school from, Mr. David Jane, who suffers from this disease. And he is still suffering, and we certainly are looking for a cure. So I'll do this in honor of Mr. David Jane.
All right.
Oh, crap.
There it is. And I want you to know. Let's think about this.
Make him suffer, do it slow. Make him suffer, do it slow.
It is so cold.
Yeah.
Shit. On the count of 3. 2, 1, 2, 3.